Now let's discuss this further with Mr. Liu Qi, the Deputy Head of Computer Science and Technology School here in Beijing. Thank you, Mr. Liu, for joining us. Now, online retailing has become more popular now, especially with the coronavirus pandemic. What's the role of big data in online shopping?
Thank you. I think big data does not only refers to the large amount of data from the computer scientist perspective as I am. I think it means more to the big data whole life cycle technologies from data collection, transmission, storage, processing, data mining, and visualization. I think big data enabled AI techniques like deep learning are now becoming available for personalized, precise recommendations, which can recommend the next buy or visit based on his or her historical shopping data or visiting trajectories. In this way, to meet the customer expectations and while maximizing the platform the revenue. I have to say that given the amount of data, the techniques are already mature. So we cannot stop using the big data techniques for personalized services, and we have to realize that it actually plays a bigger role for our daily lives. For example, we don't need to actually browse all things online from the mobile, but able to see those potentially we like from our own front page, which is really good. Yeah.
Now, Mr. Liu, obviously, retailers will be collecting a lot of consumer data. Now, is data privacy then a big concern among consumers?
Yeah, I fully agree with you. I think data privacy and security are quite important. I think on the one hand, we can see that countries around the world are making laws to protect the data privacy and security. For example, the National People's Congress of China in 2017 has released a law to protect the personal information, as well as the very well-known GDPR, which is by the European Union on May 25th, 2018. On the other hand, we can see the technical innovations like, for example, differential privacy, which is only one of them, are actually now helping out to preserve the personal privacy. A little bit the technical background is that by adding random noise to the query results to prevent them from being affected by changes in a piece of data. So we can already see some existing mobile phone makers uses the differential privacy techniques to provide the user information in this way. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Liu, for those perspectives.